In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use the dark ring here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, make your way over to any of these teleporters, open it up, and of course you need to teleport over to Sailor Island. Once you do spawn in, head towards the solo hunter area, which is the one of the two bosses here. But essentially what you need to do is find the solo hunter trainer. Now this trainer is located all the way on top of this building right here, so go ahead and just get up on top of this building, and once of course you're up on top of this building, find that solo hunter trainer and of course talk to that trainer, complete the quest itself, and of course once you go ahead and complete the quest, you'll be able to go ahead and use those dark rings to get the solo hunter sword. You need 3 dark rings, so you got to keep that in mind. So make sure that you farm them from the solo hunter boss as well. But that's going to be the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.